Gabriel Péri Foundation of France held an international seminar on the ESC at the European Parliament in Brussels, Belgium, on November 21. The event, the third of its kind held by the Foundation, gathered lawyers, professors, and diplomats from the UK, Belgium, Germany, Italy, the US, France, and Switzerland, who delivered speeches on the current geopolitical situation, issues related to relevant international laws and parties' conduct in the ESC, and several policy suggestions for the EU. Many said that there are several changes in the ESC in recent times, including fishing-related policies, environmental protection, and conjunction which alters the status quo of the ESC. They all agree that international law must be a foundation for all solutions. Professor Eric Franks from the Free University of Brussels mentioned China's rejection of the Permanent Court of Arbitration (PCA) ruling on the ESC, while many others welcomed the decisions. He said that he hopes that parties involved will hold bilateral dialogues to seek a solution accepted by all, regardless of big or small countries. To restore order in the ESC, the parties should abide by international law, particularly Article 121 in the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, 1982. He suggested, adding that the PCI ruling is useful to all parties and holds an important role. Professional Williams Bolton from Center for Asian Studies under the U.S. University of South Carolina affirmed that the construction of artificial islands he called a serious impact on the reproduction of fish sources. His research shows that the number of fish species reduced by half while reserves fell by 70 to 95% compared with those in the early 1960s. He proposed combining policy and science to solve existing issues in the ESC, such as the establishment of a committee gathering maritime scientists in the region. He also suggested mapping out and defining sea areas in order to protect the ecosystem. Meanwhile, Ambassador Triton Lechery, Permanent Secretary for the Pacific of the French Foreign Ministry, stressed that the need to maintain regular dialogues between the EU and Asia, between the EU and ASEAN member states, and between the European Parliament and the ASEAN Interparliamentary Assembly. The stability and economic growth in the ESC region will contribute to the world economic development, which is the reason pushing the EU to have maintained stability as a strategic sea. The tribunal declared on July 12, 2016 that China claimed to historic rights over waters within its night deadline is contrary to the UNCLOS. It said China had caused permanent and irreparable harm to the core coral reef ecosystem of the Spratly Junsa archipelago, and that it also has no historic title over waters of the ESC. The Hawaii Tribunal also found no legal basis for China to claim historic rights to resources within the night deadline, and that China has interfered with traditional Philippines fishing rights as Gabriel saw. However, China completely rejected the PCA ruling and maintained its stand that disputes between countries with overlapping sovereign claims in the ESC need to be solved bilaterally. The ESC provides one of the most important maritime lanes in the globe and benefits many countries. Therefore, maintaining peace, stability, navigation, and overflight security, safety, and freedom in the sea areas is a top priority. The parties concerned should display their responsibility and in abiding by international law, specifically upholding the supremacy of the rule of law and exercising every extreme reaction or activities defying international law will fuel tensions and complicate the situation. In recent years, the ESC issue had attracted much attention from the international community. Although Europe and the ESC are located over 9,000 kilometers apart, the two regions have mutual dependence in terms of economy, politics, and security. Therefore, escalated tensions in the ESC might hurt Europe's interests and threaten stability and prosperity in the world.